Imagine you're walking in the Himalayan mountains. High peaks, clouds rolling by, and the crisp forest air is full of bird song. Now the species of bird that you hear changes with elevation. That's because Himalayan birds, like birds around the world, are limited in their elevational distribution. So some species are found from 1,000 meters to 2,000 meters, while others might be found from 2,000 to 3,000 meters. So each species has an upper limit and a lower limit of distribution. We have a very poor understanding of what sets these elevation limits on distribution. And for my PhD, I'm trying to understand the ecological and environmental factors that might constrain bird species to certain elevations. Okay, let's start at the upper elevation limit. The partial pressure of oxygen is much lower at high elevations than at low elevations. This is called hypoxia, and hypoxia is the reason why we feel out of breath while walking in the mountains. Which means I get significantly more out of breath while walking to my work site than walking to my office here on campus. Hypoxia might be an important constraint for several high elevation organisms, and hemoglobin concentration is a really good measure to understand how birds cope with hypoxia. By studying hemoglobin concentration in birds in the frigid high elevations, I have found that birds are in fact physiologically stressed due to hypoxia at their elevation upper limit, and that hypoxia might be setting this elevation upper limit in many birds. Okay, now let's come down to low elevations. Human populations are rapidly expanding in the low elevations, and this has caused rampant deforestation at the lower distribution limit of many birds. I study how Himalayan birds respond to this habitat change, and I found that these birds that are specialized in mountain forests are actually not found in these human-modified habitats, but are restricted to the ever-dwindling forests at these low elevations. So in summary, birds are constricted by at their elevation upper limits, while their lower limits are actually shifting up due to habitat loss at their lower distribution limits. So these birds are caught in something like a devil in the deep blue sea situation, where the devils are humans and the deep blue sea is more like the deep blue mountain air. My research has enhanced our fundamental understanding of how physiology might limit the distribution of a wild bird species, and has also highlighted the need for conservation of natural habitats in the low elevations. Thank you.